What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be redoing a sign that I've had for probably 15 years or more. Stay tuned. Here's the sign I have. Like I said, I've had this sign for probably 15 years or more. It used to hang where my new Maury garage sign hangs now. But just like my other sign, I don't have a full plan for this thing just yet. But it is actually metal on top of wood. So the first thing I'm going to do is start taking out all of these bolts so that I can pull this piece away. The first thing that I'm going to try to do is remove these little pieces of wood at the bottom down here. They are glued on, so they may not come off. But regardless, I'm going to sand everything down with my orbital sander, and then if I can't get these off, I will hand sand those. I've got everything set up in the backyard, so as you guys saw, those little pieces of wood came off really easy with a pry bar and a hammer. But the first thing I'm going to do before I start sanding is I'm going to route the edges with a design and go ahead and spray those black just like I did with the last sign. That way I'm not having to sand twice. I got all of my edges painted up, and then I went ahead and actually painted these two blocks. I originally thought I was going to sand those and stain them with the rest of the wood, but the It's All Good sign, the bottom plate of that, I'm actually going to paint black as well, so it will help that to blend in with these being black. So I'm going to wait for this to dry. I may have to wait overnight. We'll just see how long it takes, and then I'm going to sand everything off. I've got this piece all sanded down, so I'm going to take it into the garage, get it all cleaned up, get all the dust blown off, and I will get it stained and then get these two pieces on there. got this piece all stained up, so I'm gonna wait for that to dry and then I will glue my blocks onto the bottom down here. And so I'm gonna move on and start working on this piece of it. So my plan is to paint this bottom section all black to match with the border of that piece. And then I was originally gonna paint the It's All Good actually in this red color, which I thought was really cool. And I still may do that. I just think it may be a little too bright and I don't know, it may stand out just a little too much. So if that is the case, I'm gonna test it out first. I am gonna end up doing this gray. It's just a primer gray. And then I'm gonna do a clear coat over the top of it. I'm gonna do this bottom piece first in the black. So I'm gonna go ahead and start taping off the letters here so that I don't get overspray on that. I'm all done painting this part of it. I ended up going with the red. I'm really happy that I did. It turned out so good. I'm so happy with the color that is. So I'm actually not going to glue the blocks on over here. I'm just going to use some 2-inch wood screws to screw it down, and then I will get this piece over here attached. And there it is, all finished up. It's already got hangers on the back, so I'm gonna go find a place on the wall and get this thing mounted up. And I got it hung up. I'm so excited with how this turned out. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will catch you next time.